welcome to another Alley Cat unboxing. Well, I know we've all been waiting for it, but Arirang is finally out. I've actually been saving myself from listening to it until I got the physical album. Yes, I know I'm old school, but there we have it. Now, to quote one of my favorite quotes from Penelope Garcia from Criminal Minds, I did a thing with a thing with a thing, and Hodgner replies with, "We'll talk about the thing later." I did a thing. I actually don't even know what it is that I bought, because it was a little bit to me when I was sort of so in the moment of it, of looking at it all, and I got a bit carried away because I was looking at all of the options, and of course, because everything was white, I was like, hang on, there's how many versions and this and that. And what got me was on this particular option, as you can see, like the boxes, it's like the tape is barely holding it closed. This is the Early Bird set. I went back on last night because when I first ordered it and then I saw the price, I nearly died. So this was actually quite expensive. This is probably the most expensive parcel that I have bought from Weverse. Yeah, that's how this went. But I had to write my notes to work out if I've got it all. So in this box, there should be, so the Early Bird set, there should be a Rooted in Korea version of the album, Rooted in Music version. The Rooted in Korea is, I think I saw it was square. Rooted in Music is rectangle. The Living Legend version is A4. And then there's the Weverse album, which I'm assuming is, it looks like an A4, but it's probably like a miniature version. The Early Bird gift is one of two Weverse exclusive unit photo cards. So we've got 4 albums, a gift, 1 extra photo card. But there's also a whole heap of pre-order gifts in here. This is if I've worked it out correctly. 5 of 7 set A Weverse photo cards. 5 of 7 selfie film mounted keyrings. That's how I read it. I could be wrong. 5 of 7 Weverse B photo cards. 1 unreleased group photo. 1 photo stand. And 1 metal logo bookmark. That is what should be in this parcel here. So let's open it and find out. So, as I said, so it's a bit of a chunky box. Okay. All right. Parcel 1. Okay, let's put that on the floor. Oh my goodness. Okay, right. We'll do the albums because I'm guessing that's probably the Weverse album. So I was right. So there's like 4. Okay, let's get that out of the way. Okay, so that should be the Rooted in Korea version. Rooted in Music. Living Legend. And Weverse. We'll get to these in a minute. And I think that's actually upside down. I don't know. We'll work that out in a minute. Okay. Little parcel first. Alright, let's see what have we got. Oh my gosh, I was right. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Yeah, 5 key rings. The bookmark. That is a set of photo cards. Then there's a unit photo. Oh no, sorry, that's the unit photo. What's this one? Oh, okay, so this is the... Alright, so that's the photo stand. Very cute. Simple, clear acrylic. Can't go wrong with basic. Okay, right. Where do I start? Is the next question. Let's go for the easiest. Let's go for the bookmark. You can see, like, that's where it is. Simple, cute. Sorry, guys, I'm just getting over a bit of a cold at the minute. Okay. There we go. Very shiny. Don't know whether I'd put that on a book. I think it'd tear the pages, but still cute. I like it. Right. Let's do the unit photo first. Okay, so this is meant to go with the acrylic stand. Goofy photo. Very nice. So I'm actually going to get a pen. So we've got photo stand, the metal bookmark. So that's the unreleased group pick. Very cute. All right, we'll do this one. Vocal line. That's a cute with all the reactions. So that is that's the early bird gift. And one thing I like, both my bias and my bias record in that one. So I'm happy with that. Right. I think now I've heard that we might do the photo cards first because the pictures on here, from what I read on Weverse, the pictures on here are the same as these. So we might open the photo cards first so that we can have a look and not have any spoilers. All right, so there should be 5 in each of these. So this doesn't feel fat enough to have 5, but we'll see. Okay. We got feet. Chin. Oh. I don't know about that. That's so I should have 10. I should have 10 photo cards. I don't know how I feel about this, the fact of that I've got 2 of V. Look, V's my bias record. I'm not going to complain, but Sugar, Fearless Leader, Sunshine. I'm loving the blonde. Jungkook. Okay. So, right. So I've got 7, 8, 9. Oh, okay. You know what? I'm actually happy with that because what they've done is so because I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 5. Yeah, how I've read it that I should how I read on from Weavers, I should get 10 of these photo cards. But I've got 8. But that's fine. But I got a full set. And then I've got that one as extra, so I've got a full set. So you know what? I'm happy with that. I'm not going to complain. So obviously, whether it's the black or the white set, but it looks like it's the same photos. So let's put these in fan chain order, shall we? How dare I put that there? So, all right, onto the key rings. Oh, that's Okay, I need this will do. They're literally like it's like a film strip. So we've got a Jimin, and obviously there is 2 different sets of photos because that's a different picture. So we've got Jimin. Who else have we got? Got J Hope. Who else have we got? I got a second Jimin. But I did see that as well on the site that you may get doubles. Got JK. Last one. Got our favorite Kit Kat. So I got 4. I'll probably be giving this one to my sister because J Hope is a bias wrecker. So that's them. Right. Let's move that out the way. All right. Phew. Now onto the albums. All right. So this is we'll start with the Littlest. This is the Weverse album. So look like that. Arirang. Okay. Oh, so what's that? Okay, sorry. I'm just making sure. Okay, so that's the. All right. Now, I have no idea. I'm gonna guess that probably the photo cards are the same in each album. That is just the code for the album. But so here we go. So we got Artem. I like these black and white ones. These are really cool. Take it. Oh. Ooh. Tay with his shoulders out. So they were the first. So they were the ones I got with. How was it? That was like that. So that's the. the cute little Weverse album. Very simple. A lot of people go for it these days. So that's that. All right. Okay. So this is rooted in Korea. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, there we go. See, I was reading crazy. I have no idea why I do this on my left hand when I'm actually right-handed. Okay. Ooh, foiling. Didn't realize it was foiling because I had the plastic on it a second ago. All right. Ooh, fancy. Oh, it's the credits, but that's cool. Right. Okay, so did I open it up? Does that? That looks like it's upside down. Nope, that's right. Okay, so this is the photo album. Yeah, the photo book. So again, I won't show you every single page simply because I don't want to spoil it for everyone. This is actually just like a soft cover. Oh, hello. I'm sorry. I flick to my bias. I can't help this. So there we go. There's a quick look at it. I actually like it because it's a soft feel. All right, and we have a little packet. All right, I'm going to sit down for this one so I can get the knife out and not wreck it. Because the other thing is with so many copies, I have no idea what I'm actually going to do with all of these copies, but we shall see. All right. Okay. Start off strong. We'll do a CD. Move that over there a little bit. There we go. There's the CD. Nice and shiny. Easy. Oh, it's just the notes. Ooh. They got photos on the back of the notes. Oh. That's RMs. Gin for gin. Sugar for sugar. That is really cool. But I like the fact of that you can say, and they've even done it so it looks like you could, like, if you wanted, you could perforate the page. Like, they're perforated, meaning that you could sort of tear that apart and you could use that picture. I think that's a really good idea because then you can use all aspects of it. Like, you don't have to just sit with it. All right, let's have a look at. Isn't that cute? I just think that is the cutest little thing. Photo cards. All right. So this is, as I said, rooted in Korea. So here we go. Done. Oh God. Righto. Oh, I love our little kitten with his bangs over his eyes like that. Oh, J-Hope. That one looks a bit funny, but still a nice photo. I think because it's long on that side. I like the red light. And funny enough, these actually feel like, these are the extra ones. So they're like they're both the same. Let me have a look. This one, yeah, this one's more of a papery, whereas this one's more of a, I don't know whether you can see. Let me have a look. Yeah, so you can see that's shiny, that's matte. This one looks more like a photograph, which is, I'm not complaining, but I just noticed the difference in the paper. So this is more of like a photo. Well, it is a photo card, I suppose, if you really want to be fussy. Let's put all these back in here. All right, so that is the Rooted in Korea version. Now we have Rooted in Music. Okay, so Rooted in Music. Here we go. Jeez, all right. Oh my goodness. Wow. So this one, as you can see, is different again. So, okay, so I'm running out of space, people. This is the dilemma at the moment. I'm running out of space, so I'm trying to look at everything. Oh, good lord. All right. So this is, I'd say, the CD. If I can, there we go. Ooh, there's more detail on this one. Now that is pretty cool. They've got their own picture on that. And then I think obviously it's meant to be that these holes match up with the pictures, but of course it doesn't when the CD slides in. Okay, so what's on this side? I know, I'm trying to hide all those from you. Oh, okay, so here's like the notes, or this is the lyric sheet. It's quite cute. All right, so we will have a look at the bits and pieces first. All right, so I did see these are film strips. So can you? I don't know. Wonder if I do this. I don't know if you can see them better or not. Oh, I like this one with J-Hope with Rose. These are quite cute. Now, what does this give off? Book boyfriend vibes, people? So I do like those. They're very cool. All right. Okay. These are the photo cards. So let's have a look what these ones are. Okay. These ones, they've gone back to the thick paper again. Cute. All right. Now let's have a quick look. Is this? I'm trying to work out. Is it? Oh, it's double binded. I thought I didn't know whether it was. I was thinking, is this 2 books or what? So one side of the book is this side, and the other's that side. So let's have a look. Again, I won't show all of the pictures. So, because I don't want to ruin these for people. Oh, so okay. I thought I'd have to flip it. Okay, I don't. Okay, excellent. Um, as I said again, I don't want to ruin pictures because I know everyone like me. I mean, I bought this out of my own money, like so. And I don't want to spoil all the photos. Photo cards, yeah, that's a different story. All right. All right, last one, which is the Big Mama, The Living Legends. I still can't believe, because up until this point, if you actually go back and look at all of my album unboxings, I've only ever bought one copy of every album, just one. Not one of each. This is the first time I've ever done it. But as I said, I think it was I was a little excited, so I went a bit crazy when I bought it, and because it was all white and I couldn't see what the difference was, and because they gave nothing away, so I didn't know which one I'd like the best. So, oh jeez, yeah, this is massive. Oh, oh, this feels like a messenger packet. Like this is like even like but the detail, I mean the fact of that the strap has got BTS and it's got like the just all the little details is what goes into it. Okay, so it's like a oh good lord, it's a poster. It's a poster doubling as a dust jacket. I was right. It's. I feel like what's that person going? It's from that movie. I can't remember what it is. I'll just saying again. This is how big the poster is. Like it won't. Like won't fit in. But the fact that they've used that as a dust jacket for the album, I think that is absolutely hilarious. I love that idea. That really again details people. Got the strip. Oh, it's like it's not hardcover, so it's really quite. Oh, and it's not even bound. Okay. Excuse me while I just pick my jaw up off the floor. Wow. So they've done this so that you can, like, for example, here we go. Hello. Yep. So if you want to do that, you can have that as a mini poster. And then on the back, it's not like you're, I don't want to say missing a different picture, but it's your bias's picture. So it's like, and it's glossy. Oh, and then there's even some matte pages in here too. That's what's on the back of those ones. I'm guessing if you laid them out, that it would have some sort of pattern on the back, but I'm not going to do that because I don't have the room or the space. Let's flick from this side, shall we? Because then we can see their faces a bit better. Oh, and then we've got group pictures. Wow. So that's just amazing how they've done that. Like that's just okay. I need to sit down. I've got to sit down again. Oh. Oh, it's the CD. I'm looking at it upside down. This paper is really, really odd, but it's nice. It's like got a rough texture. I'm assuming this is like the thank you notes again. Oh no, lyric sheets. That's what the CD looks like. So we've got like a black. Oh, how am I gonna? I was planning on parting with some of these, but like, how am I going to part with any of them? Like, I don't know. All right, let's have a look. So this is the packet of. Excuse me. All right, photo cards again. I've gone back to the thick ones. I was gonna say I think that's the only thing that I'm not liking from, and that was from the. I think it was Rooted in Korea version. If they had that like the thin photography sort of photo cards, that's probably the only thing that I'm not a fan of. Look at that gin. Can't go wrong with men in 3-piece suit. Sorry. Like, jeez. Oh, and these ones got the signatures on the back. I haven't been showing the backs of them. Sorry, we've just had so much to get through, and we've been here for a little while now. Right, what's this? Okay, these look like you can keep them the way they are, but if you see, there's the perforation lines around the photo on the top. It looks like you could have like another set of photo cards if you wanted. I don't know if I want that though. Jimin, I'm in trouble. Unfortunately, here in Sydney, we still don't have tickets yet for the concert, so I'm still waiting. All right, this is. I think I saw we get stickers on. Yeah. There we go. There's the stickers. So we got Arirang. Very cool. And then there's another sticker sheet. Yep. But this is quite cute because I've got all their sevens from their tattoos. But yeah, I think that was just about everything out of that box. That was a lot of stuff. Yeah, I'm just trying to sort of. They're all completely different, which is great. So there's really no I want to say double up, but more the fact that there's no that you'd be happy to get any. As I said, the only thing I think I probably am disappointed with is these photo cards. If I got these ones, I mean, if I just got the Rooted in cream one, I'd still be happy with them, but they're just they're pretty flimsy compared to. I mean, I suppose I would have expected to get, say, these in the Weverse album and then get these in the Rooted in Korea one. But that's just that's just my thing. And then, as I said again, now I'm just trying to sort of work out which one would I probably prefer to keep, because understandably I'm not going to keep every single item here. So my Discord girlies who watch, there will be some things coming away. My sister who probably is watching, yes, you've got. I'll be calling you very soon to discuss what you want. Because I know with some people, like, they buy all of one of the albums, and for example, they'll then sell the album on without, say, the photo cards in it. I see the appeal behind that, because, like, for example, here again is the Rooted in Korea. I would actually really like to keep. See, the thing is that, look, I do like. I'm gonna have to sit and work out what I like about each version, and then to go, well, I like this of this one, this of this, because of course the album is the same. But I just have to sort of sit and work out and go, okay, well, I like this from here and that from here, and yeah, sort of, I'll have to have a look. But I hope this has been helpful, so you yourselves can see what's included in every single album, and then the early bird gifts. And as I said again, I think I was gypped a couple of cards, but the fact of that, I mean, in the end, I got a whole other set, so can't really complain. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this lovely unboxing, and I hope you're all enjoying watching the Arirang comeback concert on Netflix. I do believe we've got the documentary on the album to look forward to. I think that's coming out, I think, is it today? Today my time, so probably late tonight is the 27th. So probably as I'm uploading this, it will probably be live on Netflix tonight. So I hope you all have a lovely day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.